This video is part of an algebra course created by Great IT Courses. You can subscribe to the complete course free of cost on udemy.com. You can find the relevant information and links in the description below. Thank you. So in this video we want to talk about factoring a difference of squares. So a difference of squares, what that basically means is a simple expression that you can basically expand. If you have a plus b into a minus b, so this is basically this is basically two factors. I could call it two factors containing the same terms a and b, but having opposite signs. The opposite signs in between the two factors. So that's just a fancy way of describing this expression. But anyway, a plus b into a minus b. This is, if you expand this, you will get a squared minus ab plus ab minus b squared. Now a minus ab and plus ab, you can cancel them out, and so you're left with a squared minus b squared. So this is basically called a difference of squares. These are two squares, and this square has been subtracted from this square. And so that basically means that wherever you see this pattern a squared minus b squared, you can basically write this as a plus b into a minus b. That's the whole point of this factoring the difference of squares. Now, for example, if you have an expression like 9x squared minus 25, you can write this as 3x whole squared, which is 9x squared minus 5 squared. So then this would be a squared minus b squared, which is equal to basically a plus b, which is 3x plus 5 into 3x minus 5. A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. And another example, let's say we have 81y squared minus 100. 81y squared minus 100. So you can write this as 9y whole squared minus 10 squared. And this is then a squared minus b squared. So you can write this as 9y minus 10 into 9y plus 10. Of course, in this example we've written this in the reverse order, but that basically doesn't matter whether you write it a minus b into a plus b or a plus b into a minus b. It's basically the same thing. So that's all about factoring a difference of squares.